Hello there, in this video I want to show you how to stop workout on your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's get started. So, if you have started your workout but now you just exit this application and don't know how to stop it, let me quickly show it for you. So, if you started your workout, let's just unlock my watch, you will see here this workout green icon. Let me show you this closer. Here on the top of the screen you can see this icon, and also if you just swipe up you would be able to see this workout tab. Now it is paused as you can see, and we can resume it by tapping this arrow, and it is enabled right now. So let's just open the list of applications, and here we need to go to the workout app. Here it is, and here is your training. It is paused now, but you can resume it, you can end it, and also you can play some music here. So to end your workout, just simply select this red option, and now it is ended. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.